I grew up on the ocean, grew up surfing, grew up as a fisherman. Seeing plastic debris ruining ecosystems is just, I can't not do something about it. Upon setting foot on the ground in Cambodia, you see it's a beautiful country, natural, lush, tropical beauty, gorgeous architectural history, but people's lives all over the country are really getting negatively impacted daily.
In Cambodia, you basically see plastic everywhere. The plastic that's in the community, it has no value and it's not recyclable, so nobody want to pick it up.
TONTOTON is a social enterprise company that started in Vietnam. They focus on removing no-value, non-recyclable plastic. Providing empowerment to the community matters because people feel that they have a stake in the work they're doing and they have a stake in the outcomes.
We encourage them to collect plastic to make extra income. In Cambodia, minimum wage is like $2.50 to $5 a day. By collecting non-recyclable plastic, some of them they're earning like 20, 25 bucks a day for their daily life to buy food for their family.
And 10 times what the daily average wage would be. That can be life-changing.
It's really important for the future generation to have good health because of a clean environment.
The impact these projects are providing today are generational ecosystem restoration. It's a situation that started dealing with the plastics problem. And through the plastic credit mechanism, we're solving an environmental problem, solving a social poverty and income problem, and solving an education problem. Measurable community impact that's really touching all parts of their society, from schools to the government to the private sector, and the chance for generational social change and opportunity. We get to tell their story.